Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to learn the year ending verb conjugation in French. So for that, first we have to know the subject pronouns. Basically, we are going to learn the subject pronouns and then we shall move into the year ending verb conjugations. So the subject pronoun starts with je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il ou elle. So basically, what is je? Je means I. Tu means you. Il means il means he. Elle means she. Nous means we. Vous means you. Elle means they. So basically, everyone might get doubt in this. So here two you are there. So what does this to use it signifies? So this you it signifies informal. So this tu it is used in informal places, whereas this vous is used in formal places. Similarly, here il, elle and here il, elle are there. This signifies he and she, whereas this signifies they. Why is it so? Here il and elle are plural form. So basically this il and elle are used for they. So this ill, why? Okay, they is just one word. So why two words are there? It is only because this ill stands for masculine and L stands for feminine. So when we are talking about group of male persons, that time we use ill. And when we are talking about group of female persons, that time we use L. So that is all about the differentiation between them. So now we shall learn step into the ER ending verb conjugation. Basically for that what we have to do is we can just in basic we can take this verb which parler. Parler means to speak. So parler is a ER ending verb. How is it so? Because here is ER in this verb. So what is just ER ending verb conjugation? It is nothing but we just cancel out this ER and we will add the verb conjugations for this. So when we are talking about this, we say like je parle, tu parles, il, elle parle. Similarly, nous parlons, vous parlez, il, elle parle. Basically, from this, you all can recognize that E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. So, in this way, we match that for je, we use E, for tu, we use ES, for il and L, we use E again, for nous, we use ONS, for vous, we use EZ, and similar way, for il and L, we use ENT. So it is something that you have to be memorized in this. It's really, really, really important that you have to know. Basically, in French, if you wanted to form any sentence, you have to know these verb conjugations. In our next videos, we shall also see about the IR ending verb conjugation and ER ending verb conjugation. So specifically in this video, we have only seen about the ER ending verb conjugation and hope it would be clear for you guys now. Now, I would also like to give some practice questions for you guys. If you practice these three questions, it means that you're thorough with ER ending verb conjugation. So now I'll just show you the verb conjugation that you have to practice, and the verbs are here. So here are your practice questions. Demander, donner et aimer. Qu'est-ce que c'est demander? Demander means to ask. Demander means to ask. Donner means to give. Similar way, aimer means to like. Okay. So in that way, you're going to do these three questions. These are really important. If you just do these three questions, then you're super thorough with ER ending verb conjugations. And as mentioned over here, give your answers in the comment box. And we shall just meet in our next video by learning ER ending verb conjugations. Thank you.